This is one of the entrances for PAX. Gates open tomorrow for day one at PAX Unplugged 2019. We're here at the terminal market. We've got a video going all through it in detail, and we'll leave a link below so that you can check it out. One of Annette's favorite places here is Bassett's Ice Cream. It's one of the two original vendors that were here in the market in the 1890s. Being in here always makes me very hungry, but there's never enough room to eat everything that I want to eat here. Meat. And here's another one of our favorite places in here, Denique's. They've got awesome pork and beef here. Very big fan of the roast pork. Another one of our favorite places here, Termini Brothers. All sorts of pastries here. And some great looking cakes here. You're probably gonna have to come by and get some of these in the next couple of days. All right, who wants some chocolate teeth? Here's a chocolate for a nurse. A chocolate for a dog. Oh look, police themed chocolates. And right down here, look, chocolate nose. For the person in your family who's got the sniffles all the time. Chocolate foot. Chocolate hand. I can breathe easier with your chocolate lungs in my mouth. Cry me a liver, and if you were a kidney, I'd be your stone. That's the kind of fun that lasts all day. So we're gonna go and check out the market. Meantime, take a look at this Ferris wheel here. It's going really fast.
Really fast.
It looks like one of those rides in the movies where it spins out of control and the entire amusement park is blown up somehow. Be concerned about that. So as we get closer to the Christmas tree here, they've got lots of different places in Philadelphia. Interesting. And then up top, lots of Christmas. Some Christmas socks and Christmas scarves, some bracelets and jewelry, and distillery. We found an ice rink. And you can rent some skates. It all lots of fun little tents in the village here.
I'm good at roller skating.
Tents with scars, a carousel, and to our left, a juggler. Now this should be tough. So we just got done with dinner. We had a really good dinner. It was nice to sit down and just chill and have a good dinner. And now we're going to head up to the room and relax for a little bit, maybe play a game before we go into PAX tomorrow. So that's going to be the end of this video. A little bit of fun in Philly, just kind of roaming around. We didn't roam real far, but we did hit the Terminal Market and the Christmas Village right behind us. Vendors have set up for PAX Unplugged gaming convention. That starts tomorrow, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Thanks for watching this video with us. Remember, have a good time all the time.